Dan Shaw, I'm manager of our data science and engineering team at IGS Energy. What our team's responsible for is taking any data that we have and making it more useful for a company, specifically using machine learning and artificial intelligence to accomplish that mission. One of the reasons we chose Databricks is because for our core workload, we're forecasting energy needs for our customers well out into the future. And this requires transformation and loading and transformation and prediction on large quantities of data. So every couple of weeks, we're training hundreds of thousands of models, and Databricks was a great platform for that kind of production workload. The biggest challenge was cost visibility. For us, we reserved Databricks units, so DBUs, and then we pay as we went for Azure VMs. And to be able to see, it was impossible for us to see both of those costs. So it was really kind of a black box for us, and unless we cobble together a bunch of raw data at a high level to understand where we could reduce costs. So we engage with Blueprint to try to bring together our reservation costs, so our Databricks costs, but also our Microsoft costs, so VMs and storage in one spot, so we could try to determine where our workloads maybe were inefficient, but also which workloads we needed to improve or change. Should we change the type of job? I mean, one of the first things we saw when we started leveraging the Blueprint tool is we had streaming jobs that were costing us $50,000 to $60,000 a year, but our downstream teams did not need real-time predictions. They needed it at one point during the day, so we converted those to a batch job, and that saved us about $50,000 right off the bat. This was within a month of deploying the tool. So, like, performance data in Databricks is only available for 30 days or a little bit beyond that. Now with the Lakehouse monitor, this data is available to us, as long as we keep the storage of where it's housed, so forever into the future. This allows us to see jobs not over days, but over months and years. Being able to see like how expensive a job is, but also like within these jobs over time, we've got performance data now, we've got cost data. So that's been the big power to us is just being able to understand all the costs in one spot and also persist this over time, so we can see like how our improvements are changing costs, but also like when do we need to intervene with a specific workload. We can share these results with the leadership team, and they have more confidence that we have like the governance in place to like keep costs under control, and that we're doing the right steps to like bring these costs down. The team has been amazing. So, we've worked with third party or with vendors before, and one thing that stuck out to us about Blueprint is the technical capability of the team. Like, they know Databricks in and out. The team has this pays attention to UI and how we're leveraging the application, and they're continuously iterating to improve it, which is powerful. So it's been an absolute pleasure working with the team because they listen to our feedback, and we're continuously seeing the tool update and include new features that we're excited about. So it's been a great collaboration, but it's also just been really exciting to see the tool evolve. One, in frequency, but two, just in usability. It's a really friendly user interface. So yeah, we appreciate the opportunity to work with Blueprint, and really appreciate Blueprint taking the feedback from our team as this tool has been updated over the year and a half, I think, since it was deployed.